Baby, it's cold outside and it's time for some hot chicken soup. So we're getting ready to get on with that. I have my veggies all cut up, celery, carrots, and onions. And we're gonna brown those and get started. All right, we're gonna get these rolling. They're now cooking in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to let them get soft, and then we'll add our other ingredients. And just so you know, all the directions for this soup will be posted at the bottom in the description. All right, my veggies are getting tenderized here. All right, now these veggies are tenderizing, and I'm going to add the rest of my veggies. I have corn, so we're adding a can of corn. And add green beans. I'm going to stir that in. And stir it in there. And my husband loves pearl onions, so he likes me to add those in there. So we're going to add about a cup of pearl onions. And stir that around. Four cups of chicken stock. All right. All right, now put all my veggies in. Now I'm gonna put in my seasonings. I have a tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, a teaspoon of lemon powder, I have a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper, and we're just gonna put all that in there. Stir that around real good. I like to use soup chicken based, which is this better than bouillon, and it gives it a rich flavor. So I'm gonna put a tablespoon of this into the pot. All right, I'm going to add 2 Knorr's bouillon cubes into my soup. I've already peeled them out of the package, and I like to kind of mush them in, you know, mash it up. And it's not going to be too salty. And then I have my chicken. I'm using a rotisserie chicken, guys. So this is a quick and easy soup. Pour my chicken in there. I got a lemon pepper chicken. And I'm also going to add some lemon juice in it, so it'll have a little lemon flavor in it. I know I put lemon pepper in the seasonings, but the lemon is going to just give that hint of lemon. All right, it's looking good. It's got to cook through though. I'm going to add a bay leaf for seasoning. Squeeze some lemon in there. I have some real lemon. This is what I'm using. I just squeeze a little in there. I would say that's about a teaspoon. And then I'm going to add a little heat, some red pepper flakes, 1/8 of a teaspoon, but you can add more if you like it hotter. I just like a little hint of spice. Not too much, but it's all up to you. This is your soup. So we're gonna go ahead and chow down on this thing here. Cause what did I say? Baby, it's cold outside, and this is gonna warm my soul. Try it, subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification button so that you'll get all the recipes that I post.